The Nelson family have made a shocking announcement after revealing that one of their 16 kids is pregnant. It seems the Not Enough Nelsons clan are taking their YouTube channel name literally, as the huge family has yet another member on the way. Eldest daughter, KennaDee Haddock, announced that she's pregnant with her second baby in a heartwarming Instagram post. Alongside pictures of her husband and her son posing with her ultrasound pictures, she wrote, "Baby number 2 coming soon." The social media star also shared the happy news on her own YouTube channel, where she also included her emotional reaction to the positive pregnancy test result.
I'm going to have another child.
KennaDee also got a shock at her scan appointment, which she took her viewers along to after they told her that she was 11 and a half weeks pregnant instead of the 8 weeks that she assumed.
I think you are farther than you think, because I'm getting you at like 11 and a half.
Really?
KennaDee pointed out that she'll be able to find out the baby's gender soon, and fans shared their guesses in the comments. In the caption of the YouTube video, which she uploaded on Mother's Day in the US, she wrote, "I feel so grateful and excited to have another baby. I can't believe what they told me at my appointment too. Isn't that crazy? Love you all, and thank you so much for the support." But it hasn't been easy for the Nelson family when it comes to pregnancy.
Cassidy Parker, the second eldest daughter of the 16 children from the Not Enough Nelsons clan, has been open about her struggles with fertility to her almost 5 million subscribers on her own YouTube channel, Just Cass. The 25-year-old has documented her journey of trying to get pregnant over the last 3 years, and shared a heartbreaking clip at her first pregnancy scan where the sonographer failed to find the baby's heartbeat.
That's not what I was expecting. I was supposed to be exciting.
Cass went on to share the details of her miscarriage at 14 weeks and described the experience as traumatic after coming close to being a life-threatening loss.
That was very traumatic. So we found out that I was hemorrhaging. I know that some people go through that when they have a baby, is they hemorrhage, and it's really, really scary. You're basically just like losing blood like crazy and you can die.
Cass also found out that she had polycystic ovaries and a rare blood type, which would mean any future pregnancies would also likely result in a miscarriage.
I have Rh negative blood, which I didn't even know. Basically, that is a very rare blood. I think about 15% of the entire world has Rh negative blood. That is a blood type where
you can only have one baby, and then after your one baby, basically your body's gonna fight off every other baby unless that baby also has Rh negative blood, which is extremely rare.
Over the next few years and multiple failed pregnancy tests, Cass and her husband Josh decided to undergo IVF and shared their emotional journey to their followers. In June 2024, Cass revealed to her subscribers that she was finally pregnant again after their IVF embryo transfer was successful, and shared the reactions of her husband, parents, and 15 siblings after breaking the news. Cass gave birth to a daughter just before Christmas and introduced her to the world and her followers in an emotional YouTube video. And after a long-awaited reveal, Cass told her siblings and her audience the baby's name, after having it embroidered on a custom Dior bag worth over $3,000.
Suede.
Wait, that's cute. That's really cute.
So her first name is Suede.
But despite most of the siblings claiming to like the name,
Oh, that's cute. I like it.
That's really cute.
fans are divided. One commented, "Isn't suede literally a material or something like that? No offense, but why would you name your child that?" In response, another replied, "Worse, it's animal hide. Poor kid." However, others shared their congratulations in the comments for Cass after a difficult pregnancy journey. YouTube family Not Enough Nelsons have made a shocking announcement that has left fans heartbroken. The family of 18, who share videos of their hectic life with 16 kids, uploaded a YouTube video announcing that they are quitting family vlogging. Mum Tiffany, gathered with 8 of her children, explained to their 4 million YouTube subscribers that they will be protecting the privacy of their children and reducing their content which involves their children's personal matters. The Nelson family is made up of 9 adopted and 7 biological kids, who over the years have posted in depth about their lives, often including details of their issues with bullying, adoption, the talk, and their birth parents' addiction issues. In one video, Tiffany explains how her adopted daughter Navy came to her with evidence of addiction during pregnancy.
She had what's called hands, which means if she's been around methamphetamines, a baby a lot of times will clench their hands so tight and they'll have a really hard time opening them. So I just noticed her little hands were clenched so tight.
In another video, Tiffany revealed the birth mother of 6 of her other adopted children had died, detailing how she also struggled with addiction.
So sadly this year, Amy passed away. It was tragic.
and super sad and super hard. My heart breaks for all of you birth moms and dads out there that have struggled with addiction. I just offer a special prayer.
Fellow YouTuber The Dad Challenge podcast posted a response to the video accusing Tiffany of exploitation.
They choose to exploit for the attention. It's really weird because often you'll see family vloggers do it for the cash. In this one video about mothers, the second death that she's exploiting, this woman is exploiting death on a Mother's Day video to line her f***ing pockets.
In response to the Nelson family's video about quitting family vlogging, one person commented, she only filmed this video because she got called out for exploiting her kids. Many fans have expressed their sadness over the family's announcement, with others also explaining how they respect the decision. One said, "I respect you so much. It's so scary putting your children on the internet."